In this video, we listed the 5 best drawing tablets on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. XPPen Artist 22 Plus. The XPPen Artist 22 Plus is a high-quality drawing tablet with a 22-inch screen, 1920 by 1080 resolution, and 5080 LPI resolution ratio. It features a pressure-sensitive X3 Pro Smart Chip stylus with 16,384 pressure sensitivity levels and 60 degrees tilt recognition. The tablet has a 476.06 by 267.78 mm working area, weighs 5432 g, and uses XPPen technology. It has a 1000:1 contrast ratio, 250 candelas brightness, and 178-degree viewing angle. The tablet is compatible with various operating systems and offers virtually no lag or broken lines during use. Additionally, it boasts a 130% sRGB native color space and 3 interchangeable color spaces, making it suitable for high-level graphic design and artwork creation. Number 2. Huion Inspiroy 2. The Huion Inspiroy 2M is a graphic tablet with 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI. It is compatible with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, and Harmony OS, and offers wide OS compatibility. The tablet features 3 group keys, 1 press key with 3 functions, shortcuts, and a scroller for simpler navigation. It is also compatible with Android and Harmony OS phones and tablets, and can be used by left-handed artists. The tablet measures 246 mm in length, 152 mm in width, and has a USB interface. With its versatile features and compatibility, the Huion Inspiroy 2M is suitable for both beginner and professional artists. Number 3. GAOMON M1220. The GAOMON M1220 drawing tablet is a 12-inch graphic tablet with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a pressure level of 8192, providing a high-quality drawing experience. It has a working area of 10 by 6.25 inches for PC mode and 6.25 by 3.5 inches for phone mode, and supports Windows 7, macOS 10.12, and Android 6.0 or above. The tablet comes with 8 customizable shortcut keys, 13 multimedia keys, 1 dial, and 1 touch ring, offering versatile functionality. It also features a battery-free pen with tilt support of plus or minus 60 degrees for accurate and natural drawing. Additionally, the tablet supports Android OS and can be connected to a phone using an OTG connector for enhanced flexibility. Number 4. UGEE 12P Digital Tablet. The UGEE 11.9-inch drawing monitor UE12 Plus is a pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a screen size of 12. It offers 8,192 pressure levels and a resolution ratio of 5080 LPI, making it suitable for graphics, display drawing and digital tablets. The monitor features a full laminated, anti-glare screen with 99% ultra-wide color coverage and 147% sRGB wide color gamut, allowing seamless switching between color spaces. It comes with a pencil-like battery-free stylus and programmable hotkeys for efficient drawing, as well as a scroll wheel and 8 shortcut keys for enhanced productivity. The device supports wide compatibility with Windows and Mac operating systems, making it a versatile tool for unleashing boundless creativity. Number 5. HUION Kamvas 13. The HUION Kamvas 13 is a high-concerned chemical-free pen tablet monitor with a screen resolution of 1920 by 1080 and a 13.3-inch diagonal size. It features 8,192 pressure levels, 5080 LPI resolution ratio, and 1000:1 contrast ratio. The tablet is 11.8 mm ultra-slim, weighing only 980 g, making it convenient for outdoor drawing. It supports Type-C to HDMI and Type-C to Type-C connections, and it can also connect to Android devices. The full HD IPS screen with a wide color gamut of 120% sRGB provides vivid visual effects with brilliant colors. Additionally, it has full lamination for minimum parallax and comes with a PW517 digital pen and 8 programmable press keys. The Kamvas 13 is available in 3 colors: midnight green, violet purple, and Cosmo black.